ಮಗುರಿಗೆ ಜೈರಾಣಿಯವರು
Thank you so much, sir, for that heartfelt song. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our very first performance of the evening. And believe me, this one is going to tug at your heartstrings.
That's right. When we talk about Utkarsh, our rising and live with a legacy, there is a one name that shines better than the rest. A man who wasn't just a power star, but the king of hearts, the legendary Punit Rajkumar sir.
To pay a special tribute to the Appu of billions, we have our tiniest stars, our little wonders from LKG are ready to take over the stage.
This little one has been guided and mentored with a lot of love by our very own Ashamis, who has choreographed this heart-touching performance.
So, let's get ready to witness the innocence of LKG and the magic of Punit Rajkumar sir all on the stage.
Put your hands together and give a loud warm welcome to our little champions, LKG students. Let's go!
बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन आन शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन आन शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
Wow, just wow! Who knew that a small shoulders could carry the weight of entire universe so effortlessly?
I was mesmerized. When they moved to the Atmarana Anandaravana, I felt a sense of peace, and that energy during Arambha Prachanda was absolutely electrifying.
In fact, Veena Miss, you brought the heavens down to the stage. Thank you, Miss, for this wonderful dance. We have had the emotions, we have had the divinity, and now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn up the volume and bring the house down.
That's right. Our journey of Utkarsh now enters the journey of pure, unadulterated entertainment. If you think you have seen energy, just wait until you see the great one rock stars.
They have got a playlist that will make you want to jump out of your seats. From the retro vibes of Prema Lokadina to the swag of Kala Chasma, this is a totally Bollywood mix and sandalwood fusion.
And who is the mastermind behind this rhythmic riot? It's none other than Sudha Miss and Sunanda Miss. They have taken the Kisi Comedy Jai Sri to turn into celebration of joy.
So, parents and my dear friends, feel free to the whistles, claps and dance along. These great students are ready to show us that when it comes to entertainment, age is just a number.
With the line to Mehta Raja on their spirit heart, please welcome Grade 1 dance crew.
सबका स्वागत। सबका स्वागत।
Oh my god, I think I need to borrow the sunglasses. What a paisa vasul performance.
Absolutely electric. Swasti Swagat had everyone smiling, and at final one with charisma, total swag. Great one, you guys are absolute legends.
A huge round of applause for the students and their chorus, Sudha Miss and Sunanda Miss. You both have managed to capture the true essence, joy of the Utkarsh through this choreography. The coordination was simply amazing.
The energy in this round just hit the sky. Let's keep the applause going as our little kings and queens take their bow.
Wasn't that the great first performance was just incredible? But wait, the garden of Utkarsh is just starting to bloom.
Exactly, from charisma swag, we are moving into the world of bluesm. Our next performance by grade 2 is themed around the beauty of fun of flowers.
We are going to see everything from the sweetness of Huve Huve to the classical charm of Yare Neenu Roja Huve. But keep your eyes peeled because there is a twist.
That's right, they have even included the viral sensation, the Huve Banadante meme that has been taking the storm internet. It's going to be the mix of grace and whole lot of comedy.
This creative and blooming act has been choreographed by the very talented Priya Miss and Usha Miss. They both turned our grade 2 students to the bouquet of talent.
So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the showers of petals and mountain of laughter. Put your hands together for grade 2 flower show.
Oh
ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ ಬ್ರೋ?
Absolutely brilliant. Who knew our grade 2 students were such amazing comedians?
I know. One more day was a graceful Hasilis in Ullasatahum Malay. And the next, they were total wire start. That was a complete entertainment package.
A huge round of applause to Priya Miss and Usha Miss. Both of your visions to mix the classical Kannada hits with a modern trend was genius. The audience loved every second of it.
Let's hear it one more time for our Blossoms of Vijay International School, the grade 2 students. What a colorful and funny performance.
What a beautiful and colorful flower show by a grade 2 staff. Let's give them another big round of applause for that wonderful performance.
From the soft beauty of flowers, we are now moving to the raw power of the elements. It is the time for the performance that promises to be both divine and thunderous.
That's right. We are taking a trip down memory lane. For our next performance of grade 5 is bringing back the golden era of Bollywood with a spectacular Bollywood fusion.
We have got the romantic vibes of Anki Kuli to the iconic moves of Oh Chana Chana and the high energy rhythm of K Sara Sara. It's a complete package of drama, style and total Bollywood dhamaka.
This mind-blowing journey has been choreographed with incredible energy by Usha Miss and Mahesh sir. They have worked tirelessly to make sure our grade 5 stars capture the true spirit of hero and heroine spirit on this stage.
So, if you remember these songs, don't be shy. Feel free to clap along as grade 5 brings the 90s back to life.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Bollywood stars of grade 5 on the stage.
This is Performer DR Audio Sound System. Support by Obat Gamak Music.
आँखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा, ये प्यार कैसे होता है। आँखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। आँखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा, ये प्यार कैसे होता है। खुली
में जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम।
Wow. Yeah.
Dance of dancers by bar. Are sir ready?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Wait for me. Was that great fight, or did just we see Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan on our stage? That was incredible.
The energy was super exciting. Seeing them performing to K Sera Sera and Le Gai brought back so many memories. Great fight. You guys were absolutely brilliant.
A huge round of applause to Usha Miss and Mahesh sir. You both have truly brought out the star factor in the students. The coordination and the expressions were just paisa vasool.
Let's give them one more huge round of applause as they take their exit. What a way to keep the Utkarsh spirit rising.
Amma, Amma, I love you. Appa, Appa, I love you.
ಇದನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಪುಟಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯುವ ಸಮಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಮ್ಮನ ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯ,
ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮಮಕಾರ,
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪು ತಿದ್ದುವ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ವಚನ,
ಬೆಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗದ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಂಗಿಯ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ,
ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಅಡಿಪಾಯ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಡುವ ಶಾಲೆ
ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಸುವ ಗುರು.
ಇವುಗಳ ಸಮ್ಮಿಲನವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಬದುಕು.
ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ತಡವೇಕೆ? ಈ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ.
Ready, sir, ready?
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ